So Harmonize, how are you?
I'm good.
Can you tell us about Diamond Platnumz?
Diamond Platinums. He's a good man. He's a good man. Asante Diamond Platinums. I'm who I am because of you, Diamond Platinums. Thank you so much. Mungu amekubariki.
Is he the one who supported you?
Yeah, he support me. Okay. And thank you so much, Diamond Platinums. Nakuona Zari the boss. Asante sana. Mungu akubarikiwe. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Mbahaye ikaze mwe mwahisemo kureba televiziyo yanyu BJ TV. Uyu munsi turi kwa gatatu, turaza kuba turi kumwe nkuko mubizi buri wa gatatu nimugoroba kuva ku isaha y'isa moya kugera ku isaha y'isa 3 tuba turi mu kiganiro ShowBiz Live. ShowBiz Live ni ikiganiro nzi ko mukunda muri benshi, by'umwihariko iyo tugeze ku munsi wo gupremieringa cyangwa se wo kureba indirimbo nshyashya zasohotse yaba hano mu Rwanda ndetse no mu karere ndetse no ku isi yose muri rusange. Ariko no munsi nkuko mwabisabye muri benshi, mwasabye ko twazazana umuhanzi uvuye mu bihugu bitandukanye, ariko twahereye mu baturanyi. Uyu munsi turi kumwe n'umwe mu bahanzi bakomeye mu karere k'ibiyaga bigari muri Afrika, isi yose iramuzi, yakoze ibitaramo amasara aruzura. He is one of the finest African artists, yitwa Harmonize. Welcome, bro.
Thank you.
Bro.
Yes.
You look so good.
Thank you, bro. Atarudi, atarudi mama, atarudi, anawapenda sana, atarudi, anawaletea zawadi.
Atalud, one of the very good song that you have produced. So,
thank you.
Harmonize ni umuhanzi wo muri Tanzania, akaba azwi ku bintu byinshi cyane bitandukanye, abenshi mu mufiteho amakuru amwe namwe ko ari byo mushaka kumumenyaho. So Harmonize,
yes, sir.
What are the real names, like your real names? Without just when you talk about music we have to hear Harmonize, but maybe you have your real names, the one that you've been named by your parents, the one that are on the documents.
Yeah.
What are those names?
Manyuno Singina.
Say
Manyuno Singina. Hamza.
So, so complicated.
Yeah.
So, how is your journey, your music career? How did you start doing your music? Did you grow up like having that wish of becoming an artist, or it's something that came when you were already grown up?
No, I started my music career with Nani Nomona. Yeah, so.
You mean Simba? Diamond Plat?
Don't talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah. Mefanya nyimbo zingi.
How old were you when you started music? Like the age that you were?
In 19.
You were 19?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, did you start singing like as you sing today, or you started in the churches, as we sometimes hear some artists sing that they started their music from singing in the choir, in the church, like that? Did you start doing this kind of music that you are doing today?
Apana. Yeah.
Okay, you started in the church? Or?
Yeah, I started from just singing in a village.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So, was it easy? Was it easy for you to make it, like to make that breakthrough and become now one of the finest artists that we have in Africa? Like, what are the challenges did you face?
Challenge?
Like challenges did you face? Like, you know that you started singing in the villages, as you were saying.
Yes.
So it means like you went through different difficulties that would even have pushed you back. How did you manage? What are the challenges did you face?
The first challenge is like man for go to studio.
Okay.
Yeah,
it was very hard for you to get money to pay for production.
Yes.
Okay.
Nyimbo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alakin, who supported you? It means if you didn't have money by then, how did you where did you get that money eventually so that you could even do those songs that you did?
Unamona Sala.
Sala?
Yeah. She's my wife. She support me.
Okay. Yeah. It's her who is behind your success.
Yes.
Okay.
And I appreciate.
So I want we normally have a few minutes, like as those who are listening to and watching BJ TV. It's a ShowBiz Live. We have Harmonize in the studio.
Yes.
So Harmonize.
Yes.
you did different songs. You made hits and hits like Kwangalu. You just gave out. You produced this song, the current one, "Fall in Love."
Yes.
Then, can you please tell us about Wasafi?
Wasafi.
From the beginning, how did you meet Diamond Platnumz? Because one of the verses you have in the song called "Never Give Up," there's where you sang that Simba found you there on the street, and he took you from there. He just made you the artist that you are seeing today. How did you miss?
I don't know him.
But he's featured in the song called Kwangalu.
Kwangalu is my song. It's my song.
It's your song featuring Diamond Platnumz.
Diamond amekuwa kwenye studio, amefanya maneno mengi featuring. I don't know.
So, what happened? You even featured him in the song called "With You" and Burna Boy. If you remember that song.
Ainama.
Yes.
It's my song.
Hey.
Yes.
But what happened for you to separate with him? Because you praised him, as you said in the song in your song called "Never Give Up." You said that Simba came and took
never give up.
Yes, he took
never. That's it. Never give up.
He took you from the street.
Let me tell you my story.
But no, okay. Now, in one word, how can you describe Diamond Platnumz?
I don't know Diamond.
You don't know him.
Yes, I don't know him.
But if you're saying that you don't know him, please, you have to learn to appreciate. He supported you. We all know that. We saw you in interviews.
Okay, thank you, Diamond. Thank you.
Okay, so tell us about Wasafi.
Wasafi. Wasafi is in Tanzania, so something doing something whatever.
You don't know them exactly.
Yeah, I don't know. Remember for.
So what was your first management?
Management. My dad.
Your dad?
Yeah, my dad.
Okay. So let's go into the second session of our conversation right now. People are watching, millions of people. They are watching the ShowBiz Live. Thank you so much for choosing it. Remember, it's a BJ TV. So Harmonize.
Yes, sir.
Please, could you please tell us about Diamond Platnumz? What happened for you to separate with the label?
I don't know him.
You don't know him? How?
Yes, don't know him.
He supported you. You sang it in your song called "I'll Never Give Up." You even mentioned his name.
Ametongoza Sara.
How?
Simba.
But he supported you so much.
Watoto wengi.
Last time you came in Rwanda with him, he supported you.
Ametongoza Sara na muangalia katika macho yangu.
Is it because of Sara or it's just because of the music career? Why did you leave him?
Kia mtoto na mama yake, even here in Rwanda. He
has a wife in Rwanda.
You don't know. Pendo. Simba
Okay,
mutu
no,
gani?
he has many
Simba
kids.
mutu gani? Simba mutu gani?
He's a manager. He's a former manager of you.
Abikomeze nyene.
Why did you leave Wasafi? Why did you leave here?
It's my choice.
It's a choice.
Yes.
But they had produced many songs which were even hits.
Never give up.
So okay, what happened? What the last thing that happened that made you leave Wasafi?
I don't know Wasafi. I told you.
So then Simba he supported.
Simba ni mtu gani? Simba, you call him Simba. Now he's a cat.
A cat?
Yes. Not Simba. Simba mtu gani?
Okay. Now live Harmonize saying that the Simba is no longer Simba. In his thoughts, is a cat. Okay. Please, what happened? One single reason that made you. Now we are calling him a cat, yet he gave you the song. He produced Kwangalu. He produced
Kwangalu is my song.
But he featured you. It's your song. Harmonize featuring Diamond Platnumz. Wasafi produced it. You had the chance that was having Wasafi B, WCB.
Nyimbo yangu.
Okay.
For my energy.
You want to say that he stole your songs? He used to come and steal your songs in the studio?
Yes.
Is it the reason why that you left him?
You never know. Why?
But he's a good artist, by the way.
Okay. Who?
Diamond Platnumz.
It's up to him.
Why don't you want us to talk about him? Yet he's your former manager. He supported you. He took you abroad.
That's enough.
Okay, anyway, let's leave it. But we just wanted to get to know the truth behind your leave from Diamond Platinum's studio, which is Wasaf B. So now let's come back. Let's just get in the mood again. Maybe thank you so much for telling us what you thought about him. So do you know one of the artists?
One an artist.
Yes.
Naona sana. Naona nani anaitwa.
Do you know do you know Social Mula?
Yeah, I know him. Namuona kabisa.
What do you know about him? He's even a very good vocalist.
Yeah, namuona sana. Aliko na nyingi sana.
Means? What do you want to mean?
Sijui.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know any female artist in Rwanda?
Yeah. Anaitwa nani? Marina.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Timo turabaza Harmonize nimba koko hari abantu b'Abanyarwanda babaririmbyi yabazi, avuze ko azi Social Mula, ibintu byiza cyane, yavuze ko azi Marina. Turi kumubaza se abo bahanza bazi hiki. So what do you know about Marina?
Marina, she's a singer and she's tracking with.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other artist that you know here in Rwanda?
What's
Do you know? But I think you know Safi. Safi.
Yeah, namuona. Unasema Safi wa Safi?
Safi, Rwandan artist. You even featured him.
Yeah, I know him.
A song called In a Million.
Safi Matimba. Safi Matimba.
Lakini sasa he's Madiba. Safi Madiba.
Safi Madiba.
Yeah.
Yeah, namjua sana.
What do you know about him?
Safi Madiba. He has wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As we are winding up today's Showbiz Live, but you didn't tell us about Konde Gang.
Konde
By the
Gang.
way, you made it.
Thank you.
You are doing amazing.
Thank you.
So
bro.
how did you decide to make that gang Konde Gang?
Konde Gang. Konde Gang is my potential.
Okay. Yeah. It's like it has to put out your potential.
Yes.
To let people see that you're also able.
For everything I have right now, it's because Konde Gang.
Okay.
Yes.
So how did you decide to also sign some like fresh talents? Because you saw that currently you signed this
King Ibla.
Okay, King Ibla.
King Ibla.
He's super talented.
Yes,
You did an amazing choice. He's good.
Amefanya nyimbo ya kwanza inaitwa
Is it the
nimekubarikia.
Okay. He also has you also featured him. The song called One Night Stand.
Yes, One Night Stand. Iko na nyimbo zingi sawa, iko na nyimbo ya
nyingi sana.
Nyingi. Aliko na nyimbo nyingi kwenye studio. Aliko na nyimbo nyingi sana.
So we have seen a very good building saying that it's a headquarter of Konde Gang. Is that home? Is that the home of yours? Is that the main branch of Konde Gang? Is that house yours?
Yes.
Is it yours?
Yes.
Yeah. Man. Kongs.
Thank you, bro.
Anything to share with us before we let you go?
Asanteni sana. Nawashukuru sana, Mungu amekubarikiwe.
So what are the projects of Konde Gang? Do you want to sign some other artists, or you're going to keep pushing the King Ibla and also pushing yourself?
Yeah, I think about it. And so I think next month I prepare to sign another artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next month or this coming month, or you mean like next year?
Next month.
Okay.
Not next year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is good. Do you ever think of signing Rwandan artist?
No. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay,
Actually,
anyway,
we are looking so.
Okay, it's fine. Tari kumwe na Harmonize atuye gahunda nyinshi afite harimo nko kuba agiye gushyira imbaraga muri Konde Gang akaba ari label ye yatangiye mu ngo amaze gusinyisha umuhanzi umwe witwa King Ibra. Thank you so much for watching BJ TV. My name is Jafet and I just wish you a very warm evening. Let's meet next time in a showbiz live. Harmonize, thank you for coming and greetings to the Tanzanian people. Tell them that we love them so much.
Thank you so much. Asante sana. Napenda sana. Napenda sana. I got it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. Mwakoze namwe barebye BJ TV no munsi wa none ikiganiro showbiz live nkuko mubizi biri wa gatatu tatu kumwe n'umuhanzi. Reka mbashimire tuzabonana ubutaha. Ibiganiro bya BJ TV birakomeza.